Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Akshita Vohra. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, then let's get started. So today's video is all about Sugar Cosmetics, how to get the perfect base with the help of Sugar Cosmetics. So I have this PR box which I received a while ago, and I have some products which you can use to get a perfect base. So let's get started. Enjoyed my video, please don't forget to drop in your suggestions. If you liked my video, please don't forget to comment down below and subscribe my channel. Also like and share as much as you can, and do check out some other videos on my channel.